Gabby, you got the bag stuck on you. Get it off.
Well, J.R. Smith down in Franklin sold the Denver Nuggets. This series.
Gabby, how are you going to get the bag off?
San Antonio is not losing at home. You want to know what's really killing the Denver Nuggets? San Antonio's defense. Denver averaged 105.
Gabby, what are you going to do?
That's on San Antonio. And the San Antonio bench, I understand J.R. Smith is struggling and taking it like that. But San Antonio bench, so far, is
Gabby.
130.
Gabby, you got the bag stuck on you.
Subtracting a player from said bench is not going to help that cause. San Antonio wins the series, and I feel
No, I think, George Karl says he drew up that play for Iverson or Anthony the other night. J.R. Smith selfishly put that shot reality, just as in the previous game, 4 or 5 mishaps in a row. I think you're making a great statement when you're talking Carmelo and the AI. Selfish. We're going to take him out of the equation. That ball is intended for one of you two guys. You two guys go and win me a game tonight in San Antonio. J.R. Smith, great three-point shooter, 0 for 12, and Missouri shooting 27% from the perimeter. He's not getting it done. No,
Gabby, you got a bag stuck on you.
Situation to make a statement like that. Control the
Gabby.
They're going to win this game without I'm not understanding about my
I don't get this. A coach calling out not star players but a reserve player. That's one way for a coach to deflect the criticism from himself when his team blew a lead.
Gabby.
Somebody else. And going back to what Michael Smith said about Sid Vince, they only said 18 points.
Yay.
He's got 18 of them. Now you've got guys who scored 15 points off of it. They have no.
Good girl.
No way they can win 3 more.
Gabby, how did you do that? Yeah? How did you do that? I know, it was hard. You learned your lesson about bags though, huh? Yeah? Did you? Yeah, I know. Don't get stuck in the bag again. Right? Okay? Okay?
But you don't call them out publicly. This tells me that George Karl is raising the white flag and saying they're done. And just like Kyle Shaw said,